Hi everyone, I'm back with another Mindful Minute exercise. This one is called the what over the why. So we're thinking about what emotions we're feeling instead of why we're feeling them. I'll get into a little bit more. When it comes to working with thoughts and emotions, it is important to know what is happening before you try to understand why it is happening. There are many reasons why certain thought patterns arise, but if you can't see them clearly, then you can't start to work with them. Take an afternoon and make it a priority to clearly identify what categories and thoughts or emotions are coming to your mind. For example, planning, worrying, fear, excitement. Notice the categories that come up frequently. Knowing that you are worrying and developing healthy practices to address that thought pattern is more important than fixating on what you are worrying about. So noticing what emotions are you feeling frequently throughout the day, and then thinking about how can I address these with good coping skills. We can talk more about that later. Hope you enjoyed this Mindful Minute. Bye.